Hello everyone, and welcome to our video on wet cleaning in the textile industry. In this video, we'll be discussing what wet cleaning is, how it works, and why it's an important alternative to traditional dry cleaning. What is wet cleaning? Wet cleaning is a method of cleaning textiles using water and specialized detergents or cleaning agents. This process is used to remove stains, dirt, and other contaminants from various types of fabrics and garments, while ensuring that the textiles are not damaged or shrunk during the cleaning process. Why is wet cleaning important? Wet cleaning is an environmentally friendly and sustainable method of cleaning textiles, as it uses water and biodegradable detergents instead of harsh chemicals like traditional dry cleaning. This means that wet cleaning is safer for the environment and for human health, as well as for the textiles themselves. How does wet cleaning work? The wet cleaning process involves several steps, including pre-treating stains, soaking the textiles in water and detergent, agitating the textiles to remove dirt and contaminants, rinsing the textiles thoroughly, and then drying them using specialized equipment such as air dryers or low-heat tumble dryers. The entire process is carefully monitored to ensure that the textiles are not damaged or distorted in any way. Conclusion. That concludes our video on wet cleaning in the textile industry. We hope you found this information helpful and informative, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.